How do you use spray foam insulation? And what's the best brand to buy spray foam insulation from? Today I'm reviewing IXIR Pro Foam. And I've got a pack of 12 cans right here. And I've got their foam set, which comes with a bunch of stuff we're gonna cover. You're watching Taddy Digest. I'm Tad, let's get started. Let's see what they sent us. Let's take everything out of the box. Then I'm gonna give you a discount code. Make sure you take it out neatly. Lots of cans. All right, let's open this up. Wow. More cans. But we got this brown package here. Let's open it up. Take your best knife. Whoa. Look at that, another can. Now that is our foam cleaner. So when you get done spraying with your foam and insulating, then you use your foam cleaner. That way you can reuse your foam gun. I like this kit though. It looks like we've got some type of gear to keep us from getting all messy. We've got some gloves, and when I mean gloves, this is a lot of gloves. Then we've got our foam gun, which I have reviewed other brands. This foam gun actually looks a lot better. Looks like we got this little release button. Got a bunch of nozzles. That's nice, having reusable or having more nozzles or tips, whatever they're called. And then we've got these tips, and then we've got these glasses. All right, let's go ahead and get geared up and let's spray something. Safety suit, safety goggles, safety gloves. I hope they got the right size gloves. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's the left hand. I'm just kidding.
You look great.
Thank you. If nothing else, this suit is a 10 out of 10. We got the safety suit, safety goggles, safety gloves. Now, let's get a spray foam can, spray foam gun, couple of the tips, and let's go.
Hold on. What just happened?
Man, look. Ah! I've got a hole. I ripped my suit. Let's go over some of the facts before we use this special stuff. So, covers up to 20 foot board. Really nice looking can and logo. Let's see, application surface should be cleaned under specified conditions. That's number one. Number two, the bottle should be stored under appropriate conditions. So check out the bottle and check out the instructions to make sure that you've met those conditions. Looks like the applicable temperature of can is 41 to 95 degrees. So storing it is critical, and then also making sure that the temperature inside wherever you're spraying this is within that range. All right, so that's number two. Number three, screw the can onto the applicator gun suitable for the application area. We're gonna wait for that. Number four, attach the nozzle applicator gun to the can. All right, plug the nozzle applicator gun. All right, the product should be sprayed onto the application area from a distance of 1 foot to 1.5 feet, 12 inches to 18 inches. My glasses are fogging up. Number seven, for sealing applications, use nozzle B, all right, for recommended application. It says, number eight, apply a thickness of 2 inches. Wow, that's thick. All right, so let's take the top off. Woo, cheers. Shake up the can. Let's screw it on. Stand out of the way. It's screwed on. And then we've got this little piece here. And I think that maybe it stops the can from, what does this do? I don't know what this does. It does something. All right, now, 12 to 18 inches. Let's see what happens. Here we go. Oh, wait, forgot to install my tip. Where's it at? All right, where's my glasses at? I need my glasses. There's my glasses. All right, so we're ready, but not, because we got to put the tip on. So we're going to use this little white clear tip first and see what happens when we use this one. Here we go. Can upside down. Wow, that's good stuff, dude. That is awesome. Hell, look at that. Man, my whole building's foam insulated. Then this little lever here, you want to take this and push it down to unlock. Now we're going to take and install one of these tips. We'll do the clear one first and just see what it does. Wow. Look at that. You can just spray a nice line with that. Wait, I just sprayed that right off. Whoops. Let's go ahead and install one of these red tips. Boop. Here we go. Let's see what kind of pattern we get. Wow. That's nice. Let's put the other tip on. Boop. Let's go over here. Oh, okay. So I would want to use this other tip here. That other tip must be for the B tip for sealing application. Here we go. That's really nice, really nice. I like it. And when you get done, you unscrew the can. Take your glasses off so you can see. Take the cap off of the cleaner. Install the cleaner onto the gun. And then you can clean out and reuse your gun. Also, make sure you know you have your adjustment screw on the back so you can increase or decrease the amount of spray. So, really cool. It works. Use discount code Taddy Digest. You can get 15% off. Go check out IXIRPro.com. Whoop! All right, let's open up another can of IXIR Pro. Pop the top, shake it a lot. Let's grab the foam gun, screw on the foam can. We've got it in the on position. Now we're going to take it off, see what happens. Now let's put on one of the tips. Whoa. Let's put on this tip right here. I like this one better. All right, the other tip. Beautiful, man. Look at that door. Completely foam sprayed to the max. Get out of my face. Let's get the foam cleaner out. Because you know what time it is. It's time to save our applicator gun. Because I don't want to buy another. Save! Can you believe it? Now we just take off the foam cleaner. Be careful. Whoa! Now we can use this once again. Whether it's spray foam in your house, new construction, spray foam in your little shed, or maybe just spray foam in a piece of wood just for no reason, check out IXIRPro.com. Links in the description. If you like this video, hit the like button, smash that bell, and then hit subscribe. I really appreciate it. If you don't, well, that's your own thing. See you later.